Alright, so we got 1, 2, and 3 ready right here. Just gonna put those on in. Let's see, got all the bottoms peeled off of those, while still leaving a little guard right there. I'll get them all covered up, and we will strategically put our tomato cage back in after we do ourselves a little favor. And so look at this now, so these are dead, so fortunately we can take that and crush them up and make them into wonderful extra calcium. So goodbye shells. But we're gonna take some of this dirt over here and pass it on. Bam, adding I don't know, about 10 hand scoops, you know, good grabs over here just to add it on in and level this up so that way they have a little bit more support. Get them as straight facing as we can, or vertical. And I'm not trying to grab anything that's recent, but this is one of the older compost buckets, so not really a problem with that. And I think we're back in there. We need a little bit more here on the side, so that way when we go into our first watering, it's not going to totally just erode all the soil that we already have in place. It has somewhere to go. Alright, now for the stand. Alright, so you can see we got the stand in here. It's an old one, doesn't really matter. Everything's going to be tied up with string or whatever here in a little bit whenever they start growing. As they grow, you don't really want to lean them against the metal because metal can get hotter than other things, but you know, when they're just little babies, so kind of keep them away from that. You know, like I did right there. Oh, that's so funny. Here we go, buddy. We're gonna try and make it. Try to make it. Don't want to have to pull this whole thing back out. Don't worry. See, they're not so fragile. Okay, and then we're gonna take a wooden stake right here. It's been reused 20 times, and we're gonna find a place that will cause the least amount of disturbance, and put this in all the way to the bottom that we can, to provide some extra strength. Alright, so and the bottom of this is just more wood, leftover wood that's broken down. You know, one day I'd like to pour one of these out of the many that we have and see how far the wood is broken down. That'd be kind of cool. Now you can take little stakes later on, like metal stakes, push this down even farther to tack it down. Sometimes you have to do it whenever you get high winds or just the water, you know, the water weight. A good rain comes by, and next thing you know, this shaking over time from heavy winds and all the, you know, heavy plants that you have on it is going to kind of push it. So keep an eye on, you know, like you should do with all your plants, keep an eye on it.